Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm David from I-Fal, the English learning app. Welcome to our little podcast. Today we have 5 fun news stories. We will use simple English. We will learn new words. Let's go. First news. A famous writer, Syed Kashua, will write a new TV show. The show is the Arabic version of 6 Zeros. 6 Zeros is a hit drama in Israel. Now it will be in Arabic. The director is Sama Zoabi. Some actors are Hesham Sleiman, Asil Farhat, Amir Khoury, and Anat Hadid. So the big news is, this is a new step. We see a TV show move from one language to another. It is nice to share art. In Israel, we love TV. We often watch shows in Hebrew, English, or Russian. Now Arabic, too. I think it is cool. I imagine Sunday nights, I sit with a cup of coffee at Aroma. I watch this new series with friends. We eat some sabich and learn new words. This is a good way to learn languages. Next story. In Caesarea, a new music festival is coming. DJ Darwish and Marina Maximilian will start the show. The big event is on September 26th. They will bring guest artists. They mix live singing, technology, and old traditional instruments. I love summer events in Israel. In Tel Aviv, we have small shows on the beach. But in Caesarea, the old Roman amphitheater is so cool. You sit in stone seats and feel the wind. At night, you see lights and you hear deep bass. It feels like a dream. If you go, buy a cold drink and a local falafel. Enjoy the music, dance with your friends, and practice your English. You can say "great song" or "I love this beat." Now, the third story. What to watch on TV in July 2026. There are many new and old shows. A show called Hapashuta arrives on TV. New seasons of Mechubarim and El Atzmi are here. A new series before Not Just a Blonde. The last season of The Way Home. The star of Queen's Gambit is in a new action thriller. And 2 women go on a wild road trip. It is a full list of new seasons and shows. I think many of us binge watch in July. It is hot outside, so we stay inside with the aircon. You can try one new show each week. If you like The Way Home, you can watch the last season and cry a little. If you like action, try the thriller with the Queen's Gambit star. And if you want something light, start Hapashuta. It means the simple one. I like simple things. Also, don't forget to watch some English shows too. Turn on subtitles and learn new words. Fourth story. Guy Bar-Lev will be the new CEO of the big air and space company. He is 57 years old. He worked in the company for many years. He led the missiles and space division. Now he runs the whole firm. This is interesting for job people. In Israel, we call this Ta'asiyat Ha'avir. It makes planes and more. Guy Bar-Lev is a calm leader. I think he will bring new ideas. In everyday life, we also need good leaders. In your job or your school group, someone must organize and guide. If you work hard, you can grow like him. and you can learn new vocabulary about business and work in English. CEO, division, lead, company. Good words to know. Last story. A family dispute in court. 6 brothers and sisters share an inheritance. One son said his late father gave all money to his other siblings. The son said the will is not fair. He said he and his father made a sulha, a peace deal, just before the father died. He wanted a share of the land, too. He went to the family court. He said the will is wrong and unfair. The judge made a decision. Family stories like this are not rare. In Israel, we often have big families. We sit on Shabbat and talk. Money and land talk can make fights. Here we learn words like inheritance, will, judge, and unfair. If you have a fight with a friend, you can say, "That is not fair," or "Let's make peace." This son asked for peace in the end. Maybe you saw a similar thing in your family. Keep calm, talk, and try to find a solution. Okay, that was it for today's news. We heard about a new TV show in Arabic, a big music festival in Caesarea, some nice series to watch in July, a new CEO in a big air and space firm, and a family inheritance fight in court. I hope you liked these stories. I hope you learned some easy English and new words. Thank you for listening. I really enjoyed helping you learn English today. Don't forget to check I-Fal, the app. Only 20 shekels per lesson. Have a great week. See you next time. Bye.